Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today it's gonna be a really fun video. So today basically I'll be taking up a challenge which will last for like about 10 days, and on daily basis I'll show you like what skincare routine I'll be doing. So I'll show you the products right now. This is by Glamour, the brand. One second. So I've got these two things. In one I have this acne prone skin. As you can see, I have some acne. Right now I've applied makeup and everything, so it's all hidden and somewhat being shown. This I have the super spotless acne formula, so pimple formula basically. So I'll be starting like today, and for 10 days continuously I'll show like how is my skin radiating, and is my pimple getting softened, and what all. See, on daily basis we get a lot of pimples, so basically it shouldn't burst and it should diminish in a very good way possible, rather than showing any of the rashes on our skin. So right now I'll just prepare my skin and wash off all my makeup, and I'll show you my night care routine. And secondly, I have this product. This is a facial oil. I'll be using it in daytime, and I'll also tell you the results for this. But you'll be going on this journey with me for 10 days to see the results, that they are actual, like radiating on the skin and affecting on your skin and showing the spotless acne prone skin. Okay, so guys, let's get going. So guys, now we'll be taking this gel. This is the cooling gel, and apply it on the area where we have all these pimples and everything. Let me get a mirror first. One second. Okay, so basically I've got this mirror. I'll be applying it now on the patches where I have these new pimples, and also where I have these rashes. It's itchy at the first go. That is, ऐसे लगता है skin खिंच रही है, but then I think it's doing its magic, hopefully. Okay, so just make sure that you have done it like on the patch area where you had all your acne. So this is the day one. So I'll be continuing it for like 10 days, and I'll show you the end results. So we are in this challenge together. So let's get going. Hey guys, so today is the day 3, and we'll be applying this today as well. Yesterday also I had applied, and it has given me some fruitful results also. My acne has gone down, like from being red, it has been going slowly to the brownish shade and showing the effect on the pimples and everything. Now we'll do the third day, and you need to apply it properly on whole spread where you have these acne and everything. Make sure you do it properly, and don't skip any of those days, because this would eventually help your skin to glow and grow as well. Any more pimples? I feel this patch is already gone. Like if you can see from the last video, the change is coming as in when you are applying it. So apply it on regular basis, and now we'll move on to day number 5. Hey guys, so today is the very 5th day on which we'll be applying the Super Spotless AM to PM by Glamour. And as you can see, my pimples have like faded here. Now we'll be applying it. I feel that they are more or less working. Like firstly, all the large pimples have become tiny, and eventually only the scars are still left, which would like eventually fade. For this side it has already faded, I see that. Okay, but यहाँ पे there's whole patch still remaining, and all my acne is over here and there near the chin, and everything has really faded away, and there are no scars also left. So this is really a good time. Like on the 5th day I can see a real exaggerated change that I have seen till now, which is a whole truth like within the 5 days challenge. And also, guys, you can apply it twice a day, like if you want to. But I'm mostly applying it like on daily night basis. कि रात को you can just apply it and सुबह you can only wash your face with cool water and everything, and it would really affect. Hey guys, so today is the 7th and the last day where I'll be applying the Super Spotless Gel. And I must tell you, there is this huge drastic change in the pimples and all the blemished skin. It has like over the period of these 7 days, these pimples and these blemished skin have drastically like evolved from like a whole patch of pimples to like a few of them left now. I've seen a huge change in these pimples and all my skin and scars that it all has, and all the redness also of my skin is eventually going. So I must tell you, this is one of the most best gels for all the acne prone skins. Like, you must try this out, and I'll show you, I'll keep a result after this from first day till 7th day, how my skin has eventually grown and all the redness of the skin and pimples have like faded away within these 7 days. And this product by Glamour is a hands up product. And next we have the other product. So guys, the next product by Glamour is this facial oil. It provides like radiance to your skin, and the product name is Dream Skin Radiance Oil. And I've like started using it for quite some time. You can use this as your base, like for all the makeup and everything. Initially you can use this, and it will show a radiating skin and a glowing skin. And instead of using any of those cleansing creams or the facial creams that we have, you can apply this and then you're good to go for your everyday makeup routine. And this is also a hands up for your makeup routine. And do keep in mind to get this product. I'll put the link in the description of both these products. And do let me know how do you like this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.